Welcome back to A Productions. Today we will be reviewing two anime figures I've gotten the past days. So first things first, you guys may have seen him in my last stop motion video. Is Chainsaw Man. He's really cool. I really like him. I've been waiting for this figure. I got this figure one day when I ordered it, the day after I ordered it, which was pretty surprising. And specifically, it's from Anime Heroes. And the cool thing about it is that it has hip articulation, and it just makes it even better for the poses. As you can see, you can kind of bend him to make him look like he's doing something or stuff. And as you can see, we have this Naruto figure, also from Anime Heroes, that has no hip articulation. Absolutely zero, except that he can do a 360. Just like I said too. And it's super cool, but the sad thing about the Chainsaw Man figure, it can't do a 360 with his arm, which is pretty sad. But you also don't have to do that with a Chainsaw Man figure, because that would look pretty weird. So, the figure that we're going to be reviewing today, well, the second figure, is from Naruto too. He reads a book, and his name is Kakashi. Kakashi is a really cool figure. I've been wanting to get him for a super long time, and finally I found him in Target. It was the only one left, so I'm really glad. Let's open up the figure. Please have it'll help you using a blade to cut it openly up for protection, obviously, or use gloves, like working gloves. I don't need protection. I don't need an adult to do it, or protection, because I've used this blade a lot. Let me just cut it up. Already cut. And let's open him. Wow, this figure is amazing. I'm really glad I'm really glad that I was able to get him, because the figure is really cool. So here is Kakashi. Really cool, right? So I'm gonna unbox him in 3, 2, 1. So this figure is really cool. It has a lot of articulation. It's not come with the book. I got it off Hobby Lobby. It used to be part for a necklace, but I just ripped it out. So here is the amazing Kakashi that I've been waiting to get. So we are gonna strike some poses in 3, 2, 1. So it's pretty cool. I'm really glad that I got this book, because I was gonna use this book for a different figure, and it was pretty cool and a coincidence that he reads books, and I had a book laying around, a miniature book specifically, and specifically that I have a Naruto. So it's pretty cool that I have this figure. Let me make some more poses in 3, 2, 1. So this pose is really cool. Also too, it comes with his blue fireball, and it's amazing. I really like the figure, But now let's get to the articulation. So we're gonna go to the articulation now. His feet can move up and down. They can do a 360. Also, his other foot. His legs can touch. Can go like that. And the figure's legs can touch the air. Well, it's basically the height of his little bag. And his legs could go that far, I would say a 40-degree angle or a 90-degree angle. His hands are replaceable. They have a ball joint on them. Back and right. Back and forth. And they can go, and his arms can go like a ceiling fan if you put a lot of pressure on it. And his arm joints can go down, up and down. It's really cool. His head is barely articulated, and when you look at that, his head came off. His head isn't that articulated. It can go front, back a little. It can go like a little, like a cobra, like. It can go like a circle, a little bit of a circle. I want to say a circle. Back and forth. Left, right. He can't really go like he's like, what? Well, you kind of can, but not entirely. So I might make a stop motion out of this figure with Chainsaw Man and also Naruto and probably Baki. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had a great time watching this video, and see you soon, and goodbye.